Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Lynn at LV Handcrafted has a new release today, Buzzing by One Sheet. It's the EZ4 Buzzing by One Sheet, and isn't it cute? And I didn't print everything that comes on this sheet because I had printed it for last release. I gave you a sneak peek on my cards from last release, which was the lovely lavender. And so since I had sentiments and bees already cut out, I saved some ink that way. But you will get everything on your sheet. Here is where that cute bee came from, and here are the cards I created last release, which was on the 15th. And how cute is that? I cut that out with a die, and I just love the pretty papers from Lovely Lavender and from this new release today. And that I just cut out as a strip. So this is meant for EZ4, but I'm sharing what you can use with other, your paper cutter or other dies, and that's what I'm going to do today as well, even though it's intended for this bundle here. You see how the shapes coordinate there. You'll just place your die down and it'll cut everything in one piece. You have examples, and you can get this die set at the Not Too Shabby shop, which will be available tomorrow on the 21st. And I will have my die, or not my die, I will have my discount down below for you. And so I am super excited to make some more cards using this new release. So let's see. This is what I had in my mind to make. Here is my code, vonmariedesign, to save you money at LV Handcrafted. Here is what I had in mind, 2 mini slimline cards, and using Gina K Designs, as she is a sponsor for our Paper Escape. So I thought I would use her dies today, and since I have this hexagon cut out from the release, I thought I would use my mini slimline like this. The other paper, that sage color, which is so pretty, is from the Lovely Lavender Extra 2, and you need it. You definitely need that release too. So I will link that down below for you. And here is what I made. So I made a shaker card for this one, for this mini slimline card, and I love how it came out. I used some cream colored cardstock. These are 3x6 is what they are. Those bees in the background are the same as this strip of bees, and so cute. And so I love that one. And that oval I did layer on, it's like 2 pieces, the oval dies there, and using Gina K Designs, and I use a sentiment. And I just love how these 2 cards came out. So this one is Master Layouts 1. I did also use Master Layouts 7. And that's where those ovals came from. And so let me know which card is your favorite, and shop at LV Handcrafted. I'll have all the details down below for you, and I love how they came out again. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.